When I first started to write about instructional coaching, we didn't really focus on goals, but we learned pretty quickly we needed to have goals. We tried out SMART goals. And as I looked at the literature on goal setting, and as we tried it out, we just found there's some issues with SMART goals. And so we said, we can come up with our own acronym. And so we came up with PEERS goals. PEERS involves these things: powerful, which means it's going to have an unmistakably positive impact on kids' lives, a lasting impact on kids' lives. Maybe they learn more or some other aspects of growth, but they'll be marked in a positive way. Moving ahead in the next year, there'll be a change as a result of this goal. If we're going to spend all this time on coaching, we should focus on something that's actually going to make a difference. Second thing, it's as easy as possible. Now, not everybody likes the word easy because they believe in productive struggle, but you're going to have productive struggle. You got a classroom full of kids. So we say, why make it even more difficult? What's the most efficient way to hit the goal? In fact, if you don't like easy, you can use the word efficient. Third thing is emotionally compelling. If I'm going to hit a goal, it has to matter deeply to me. And an emotionally compelling goal is one that, it's what I think about when I drive home from school. If I wake up in the middle of the night, what's on my mind? That's an emotionally compelling goal. Now, reachable means I have a clear sense of what's going to be different if I hit the goal. Sometimes that's the SMART idea of measurable, but it has to be clear, what's my finish line for this? And then secondly, I have to have in mind some way I'm going to get there. I might not have it clear in my mind yet, but a goal's not really a powerful goal, a PEERS goal, unless we can say, I'm definitely going to be able to identify a pathway to the goal, and I know what the pathway is. And lastly, we found the best goals, and this is really pretty important, are student-focused, not teacher-focused goals. A student-focused goal is a change in engagement or achievement. What we found with teacher-focused goals is they often get implemented a little bit, but then they disappear. But when you implement a student-focused goal, you've got an objective standard for excellence, and you've got a measure of the effectiveness of the coaching. And if the coaching works, you hit the goal. We feel that best goals are those 5 things: powerful, easy, emotionally compelling, reachable, and student-focused.